Let's make a Valentine Day card. For this, we need a card, watercolors, brush, marker pen, and small stick. To continue with this card, I made two paper cuttings of two arts. And keep this like this, and I'm just going to sprinkle watercolors here. So in this way you can control the sprinkle, the splashes. If you are trying to use a toothbrush and do the sprinkle, it might go way of your control. But there you get a very fine drop. Here the drops are not controlled by yourself. You can only control the design. Try to add more drops on the edges and the sides of the art so that you get a kind of a drawing. This is going to be a bright card, you will enjoy it because it's too fun to work like this. I will dry the card like this. I will not remove the paper cuttings now. I'll dry the card and then remove the paper cutting and do the outline. Now the colors are dried almost, so I'll remove the paper cuttings. This has to be done a little careful so that even if something is not dried, you may not spoil the card. So I got a very fine kind of outline of this. And, carefully do the lettering. This is a permanent ink, waterproof. Don't worry about the style, the character of the lettering and all. Do it out of love and it appears so good. You can even draw an art here instead of O. That also looks good. So after this I will fill the letters with watercolors. This mark marker is a waterproof marker. It doesn't get bleeded with your colors. It's just for the sake of having colors I've added. I'll show you with the outline also. Let's see, try and see how it works. Wherever there is lighter area, I'm just using an outline for that. Okay, I'll leave the card like this also, it looks fine for me. I hope this helped you to make your own card. Thank you for joining my session.